Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's your old pal, Mr. Greg here, broadcasting to you from Mr. Greg's top secret auxiliary undisclosed broadcasting location with this week's video. Once in a lifetime, a film debuts that is quite simply nothing short of brilliance and a cinematic masterpiece. And today, Mr. Greg is happy to announce that Hollywood has finally decided to immortalize the struggles of yours truly in an upcoming biopic which critics agree is the greatest film to have ever graced the silver screen. And with me today, Mr. Greg just happens to have the world's first glimpse at the trailer for Mr. Greg Saves the World from the CIA. Let's have a look. Mr. Greg was a quiet man who kept to himself, but when the CIA crossed a line, they went too far. Voted best movie ever. One wild ride. Thought-provoking, genius. I can't believe this is real. CIA? What CIA? In theaters this fall. This week's song is the Rolling Stones' Beast of Burden. We're going to get started with the tune in just a few, but like all other videos, we're going to check your guys' tuning, and then we'll move to the chorus and the strumming section. You'll recall from all videos that your G string second fret produces the same A note as your open A string, that the E string fifth fret produces the same A note as your open A string, and that the C string fourth fret produces the same E note as your open E. That sounds good, yada yada, skip ahead. Otherwise, this is how your G should sound. Your C. Your E. And your A. Okay, this song only uses 4 chords. It uses your G, your D, your E minor, and your C. Everything's going to be one strum per mention of the chord except for the refrain where it's going to be 4 quarter notes, so 4 strums for the C's and the G's in the refrains, and then the D is going to be 1 bar of the 8th note, so that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 1 whole note. We're going to go down the first page, down the second page, and that's the tune. So let's go ahead and let's give it a shot, you guys. All right, here we go. The Rolling Stones' Beast of Burden. I'll never be your beast of burden. My back is broad, but it's a hurtin'. All I want is for you to make love to me. I'll never be your beast of burden. I've walked for miles, my feet are hurting, and all I want is for you to make love to me. Am I hard enough? Am I rough enough? Am I rich enough? I'm not too blind to see. I'll never be your beast of burden. So let's go home and draw the curtains. Music on the radio. Come on, baby, sweet love to me. Am I hard enough? Am I rough enough? Am I rich enough? I'm not too blind to see. Oh, little sister, pretty, pretty girl. Pretty, pretty, such a pretty, pretty, pretty girl. Come on, baby. Please, please, please. I tell you, you can't put me out on the street. Put me out with no shoes on my feet. But put me out, put me out, put me out of misery. All your sickness, I can suck it up. Throw it all at me, I can shrug it off. There's one thing, baby, that I don't understand. You keep on telling me I ain't your kind of man. Am I hard enough? Am I tough enough? Am I rich enough? In love enough? Oh, oh, please. I'll never be your beast of burden. I'll never be your beast of burden. Never, 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 never be. All right, you guys, there you go. The Rolling Stones' Beast of Burden. I'll see you guys next week.